Sarah and I did a trip a couple of years ago, visited the islands off Carolina and Georgia, where the African American people speak a certain dialect. They're called the Gullah people. And there's one particular island called St. Helena, where there's a center called the Penn Center that was started by Quakers back before the Civil War, actually. And that segues into the next song, which is Michael Row the Boat Ashore. It was a song sung by hitherto enslaved people right after the Civil War ended, when there was this Harvard professor named Michael Ware who was hitching a ride on a rowboat. Basically, it's all streams through that area, and there were a group of African Americans that sang this song, Michael Row the Boat Ashore, incantation to the archangel. So I'm sure you know it and you can sing along. Thank you. Michael row the boat ashore, hallelujah. Michael row the boat ashore, hallelujah. Sister, help to trim the sails, hallelujah. Sister, help to trim the sail, hallelujah. Jordan River is deep and wide, hallelujah. Meet my mother on the other side, hallelujah. Michael row the boat ashore, hallelujah. Michael row the boat ashore, hallelujah. Jordan River is chilly and cold, hallelujah. Chills the body but not the soul, hallelujah. Michael row the boat ashore, 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 hallelujah. Traditional Gullah song, folk song. Thank you.